In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 11 Labs AI PC. Download 11 Labs on Windows desktop. We're going to turn the 11 Labs website into a desktop app on your Windows computer using your web browser. This gives you a clean, app-like window, easy access from your Start menu, and a more focused workspace for voice generation. I'll keep it simple, and we'll move step by step. First, open your web browser on your Windows PC and head over to Google. Any browser works for searching, but the installation part works best in modern Chromium browsers like Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Once Google is open, click the search bar and type 11 Labs, then press Enter. You should see the official 11 Labs site appear near the top of the results. Click the official 11 Labs website to open it. Give the page a moment to load completely. Once you're on the site, we're going to install it as an app. Look to the very top right corner of your browser window and click the 3 vertical dots. That opens the browser menu where we'll find the install option. Inside that menu, look for the section that includes options like Cast. Nearby, you'll see Save and Share. Click Save and Share to open the next set of options. From there, choose Install Page as App. This is the key step. What this does is create a progressive web app version of the site, so it runs in its own window without the usual browser tabs and address bar. It feels like a native desktop program while still being lightweight and always up to date. A small confirmation box will pop up. Click Install to proceed. The app will launch in its own window right away. Windows also creates a shortcut in your Start menu, and you can right-click the icon on your taskbar to pin it for quick access. From now on, you can open 11 Labs straight from your desktop environment without hunting through browser tabs. If you don't see the install option, make sure you're on a supported browser and that it's up to date. Sometimes the option only appears once the page is fully loaded. You can also try visiting the main home page of the site if you're on a subpage. That's it. You went to Google, searched for 11 Labs, opened the official site, used the browser menu, selected Save and Share, chose Install Page as App, and confirmed by clicking Install. Enjoy a cleaner, faster way to use 11 Labs on your Windows desktop.